It's day 3. Let's go get some breakfast. Oh, won't you? Let's do it. This is the sand dune reveal.
Oh my god.
That's, oh my god, there's people up there. You can't see them, but they're right up there. That is, how do we say, immense? So, wow. Everybody's just in awe here. Look at his reaction. Oh my goodness. Get a hearty breakfast. We got some things to climb today. So cereal boy here. See, that's with yogurt.
Yeah.
That has yogurt in it. That's interesting. Is that common in Peru? No.
That's how they do it.
What kind of yogurt? Just vanilla, eh?
Yeah. It almost, it might be plain actually. Plain? Is it vanilla? Vanilla. Okay.
Okay, vanilla. Wow.
I said it could be plain.
Okay. Yikes. My bad. Sorry, I forgot we were in Peru. My bad.
That's what Alonso told me.
Okay. Our boy Alonso, he's clutch. Our boy Alonso. Alonso. Okay, let's get back. Hola, Alonso. Nueva. Did you just say snow?
Sandboarding.
Oh.
Sandboarding.
Update, yeah, could you give us translation?
That 200-meter sand dune is just for the view, so like the whole Huacachina.
Okay.
Yeah.
The buggies are the other way. So because it's like not even 9 a.m. we can go up, watch like the whole view, and then come down. Go to the buggies. Go to rent some like professional sandboarding equipment, and then just go to the buggies.
Sounds good.
Sweet. Let's go there, gringo.
Oh, actually, let's wait for it.
Oh, okay. Wait for our friend. Very nice. Very considerate. All right, we're gonna start the 200-meter ascent all the way up. You can't see it because it's not overexposed, but like it's literally, it's right. It looks like we're going right into the light. Oh, I'm tired already. Oh no. We're athletes, so I mean. Yeah, I should probably put mine on my back. No shoes, definitely play. If you ever come to Huacachina.
I told you.
Shut up! It's unfortunate that Ben had that idea. Alright, we've gone up about 20 meters. We already have a great view. Probably won't go any farther. Look how immense this place is, though.
So easy that way. What's it like, Carlos? Woo! It's under an 8.
Beautiful Peru. I'm nervous. We've never done this before. This is my first time.
You ready?
Oh, but yeah. Alright, and this falls immediately out of the sky. Alright, don't forget to take pictures. Hola, guapo! Yeah. Here we got our drone pilot. I don't know, how's the drone flight going there, Ben? Is it going good?
There it is. I found it.
Oh, really? Where is it? This is illegal. Oh, I hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to look up. I get vertigo. I'm trying. This makes me nervous. There it is. Yeah. It's Drone Productions, baby. Subscribe. So here we are, just finished droning. Now we're about to head all the way down there and go do some dune boogieing. So, look at this landscape though. Wowzers. Hey guys, how's it going? The sand is mucho caliente. This is a view. This is a mood. We out here. We the best. This is actually pretty sweet. Let's go. Nice. This is nice. It's an exfoliation rub. You're exfoliating with the sand. Yeah. Hi, sand puppy. Hello. He looks very cute. Hello, Spot. Hello. No, señor. No, lo siento. I just said no, I'm sorry. One soul. Ben, that's a deal.
Shut up.
Ben, you have no sunglasses.
I have sunglasses in my bag.
Yeah, but you don't have them here. This is our beast day. Lois is taking some pictures.
If you wanna...
Yeah, really. Welcome to the desert.
Who's that? Oh, that's me. Hi.
Who's that? Oh, that's me.
Ya el 19 entra, creo, ¿no?
Hey, the sandboarding. Oh no!
You did?
I thought I took pictures by accident for the first little bit, but I got the drop.
You did?
The drop. That was. What are your thoughts on that drive?
That was pretty standard. Pretty standard Saturday there.
I'm pretty tense right now. I don't need to use the bathroom anymore. That's for sure. Didn't phase that guy. He's a fruit. I mean, we're in the middle of nowhere. If this nice gentleman wants, he could probably kill us and leave our bodies, and nobody would know. But he won't. He's a nice dude. We trust him. We trust him. Wow, what a view, though. Oh my God. And here we have an Instagram model on vacation.
Middle of the desert.
Middle of the desert, Instagram model. Let's go. Huacachina! Okay, so it was recommended that we don't just full send with the boards down. We practice with our feet first, right?
Or like on our butt, you mean?
On our butt?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh! Oh, I'm gonna get a wedgie. Ceremonial passing of the board. Oh, on your butt on the board. Oh. Oh, it's like sledding. We're going sledding. Sledding. This is sledding. We do this back home, except not on a snowboard.
Oh.
Hey, vámonos! Wowza. Adios!
But like here, when they say like, no worries, like, no remove it. Don't worry, like, okay, yeah.
Alright, we'll see if my stuff makes it down. I don't think I recorded that, dang it. Oh, we're going down this one though. Oh mon dieu, c'est chaud.
Diagonal, not straight up.
Yeah. Which, like Chris, like,
Oh.
which feet do I put in first? After a little bit of sand. What? I don't actually know what I'm doing. How do you curve on this? I don't even know if this is the right way. Go. Go ahead, small friend. All the best. What? Nice, nice diagonal. I'm nervous. You guys didn't fall. I'm gonna fall. Ah, yeah, I'm okay. Okay. All right, take two. Let's go! Ah! All right, we've graduated. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty steep, eh? Yikes! All right, untouched sand though. Let's go. Glos, you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Go first. I'll go behind you.
No, it's my elbow. These are elbows, yeah.
Are you ready? Go, Ben. I wanted you to go first. Yes, you did. Go, Ben. Alexi's waiting. Go! Send it, sand boy.
That's the way. Oh my god, man.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, vámonos, Carlos! Okay. He's dragging. He's got shoes on, that's why.
That was so extreme.
Ow, 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 ow! Ah! Whew! Feet are getting a little burnt here. Okay, underlay. Okay, I'm covered in sand. That was lit. I'm still. I feel like we're gonna regret. We're gonna look back and we're gonna regret not putting the drone up. But we'll always have that big cliff. So. Okay, let's go get rinsed off. Oh my god. All right, we're checking out. We lost Carlos. How'd you rate to stay?
What?
How would you rate to stay?
Oh, it was fantastic. That's a good size.
Well done, Los. Los is going to be a booking agent. When Los grows up, travel agent.
When he grows up.
If he ever comes back from wherever he is, too.
Yeah, we don't know where he went, but he'll be back.
It's lunchtime. What are we getting? Could you explain to the viewers what we're about to eat?
We're about to eat raw fish.
Oh, okay.
Just in lemon and onion, and there's sweet potato and Peruvian popcorn.
Peruvian popcorn?
Yeah.
I'm on board. I'm on board. This is gonna be just the popcorn for me, thanks.
Claro. Ya, pero ¿qué pescado es? Perico. ¿Y no tiene corvina?
No.
Ya.
Uh-oh. Ah.
Y el charrón de pescado.
Got some war wounds there, eh?
Yeah, I think it's just from the sandboarding.
Yikes, that looks like a bacterial infection. This could be the end of you. Awful.
If you drink just the foam of a Guinness, it tastes awful.
Do you not agree with me?
Yeah, it kind of does taste awful.
Oh, it's false. Santé, bro. And cheers here. That might not have been a good idea.
Probably not. I'm only gonna get one of you, sorry.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah?
It's actually not bad.
So good.
It's sweet. That's not
You like it, eh?
He's from here. Yeah,
I know he's from.
What's the? What do they? Do you know what else they put in? Like what's
Why is the camera up so high? 1, 2, 3.
egg? Oh really?
There's things.